The topic is separation of components of mixture. Okay, as we know that mixtures of they contains more than two substances in any ratio. Okay, so there are some methods, some techniques that we use to separate the components of the mixtures. Okay, on that note, in this video we will talk about the separation of a mixture, that is how can we obtain colored component. Okay, colored component, that is dye from blue or black ink. So in this case we should know that ink is not a pure substance, it is a mixture. It is a mixture of colored component, that is dye, which is added in the water. So how can we separate these two components? We use a technique that is called evaporation. We use a technique that is called evaporation. So how can we use this evaporation method to separate these components? Let's have a look on this figure. Suppose we are taking a beaker here. Okay, suppose we are taking a beaker here like this, and this beaker is half filled with water. Okay, this beaker is half filled with water, and at the top if we place a watch glass. Okay, suppose this is a watch glass. So at the top if we place watch glass, and this is half filled beaker. This is what? This is a beaker which is half filled with the water. On this watch glass, if we take some ink, okay, like this. Suppose, let us say we are taking ink like this. So let us say it is like this. Okay. And we are not going to heat this ink directly. So how can we heat it? Okay, we should place it at this stand, okay, which is like this, which has some pores in it. Okay, which has some pores in it. After that we use a spirit lamp. Like this, and after using this spirit lamp we can heat this water, and after when this water gets heated, it will going to be evaporate like this. Okay, and this steam would heat up this ink which is placed in the watch glass, and after that when it is indirectly heated with this evaporated steam, then what will happen? The water which is present inside the ink, it will also be evaporated. So it will evaporate. Okay, so because water, so ink is what? Ink is mixture of dye and water. So because water is evaporated from here, then what is left here, we can get the dye, which by this method we can separate dye, which is a color component, and the water separately. Okay, we can separate both of them. So this is how we can use evaporation method and to obtain the colored component dye from blue or black ink. I hope it is clear now. Thank you.